In today's video, I will walk you through how to blur face in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open CapCut on your computer and load the project or video clip you want to edit. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can download the PC version from the official CapCut website. Blurring a face is useful when you want to protect privacy, hide sensitive details, or create a cleaner and more professional-looking edit. Once your clip is selected in the timeline, move over to the Effects tab. This section contains different visual effects you can apply to your footage. In the search bar, type blur so you can quickly find the blur effects without scrolling through all the available categories. After finding the blur effect, add it to your project. You can then adjust the blur strength, depending on how strong or soft you want the hidden area to appear. A lighter blur may still leave some facial details visible, while a stronger blur creates more privacy and makes the face harder to recognize. After applying the blur effect, click on the blur layer and move to the upper right settings panel. From there, select Mask and then click Add Mask. This allows you to control exactly where the blur appears instead of covering the entire screen. Choose the Circle Mask option, since it works well for faces and other rounded areas. Once the circle mask appears, drag it over the face or object you want to blur. You can resize and reposition the mask so it fits naturally over the area, without affecting too much of the surrounding video. To make the blur follow movement automatically, go to the Track Mask section and select both. This helps the mask follow movement more accurately across the screen. After that, click Track and allow CapCut to analyze the clip. Depending on the length of the footage and how much movement there is, the tracking process may take a little time to complete. Once it finishes, play back the video and you should see the blur smoothly following the face throughout the clip. This creates a cleaner result without needing to manually adjust the blur frame by frame. And that is how you blur a face in CapCut PC using blur effects, masking, and motion tracking tools.